Hello again, Lazar back here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a stash busting page kit. I have been playing with this Cocoa Vanilla Studio Storyteller for quite some time. Is there a year on here? It doesn't look like it, but this is several years old. 2022. So, those are right there. So this is from 2022. It's 2025. It's time to make this disappear from my stash altogether. That is the focus of this first quarter of 2025. I don't want to commit to like all year because I might fail, but I at least can do it for 3 months, right? January, February, and March, and I'll reassess the stash at that point. But I would like to make a dent in all of these partially used collections and get them out. So I started this in December actually, and I've pulled it into this first quarter where I start with a kit and I use it until it's done. This is all I have left. I have some of the A5 paper pad and some larger scraps here that we're going to see. I am going to fussy cut out a bunch of this and what I can of this. I'm going to use this older Cut to You Designs, the Little Moments cut file there. I don't know if we're going to do it on the white or we're going to do it on the wood green. To scrap, we bought a fire pit to have s'mores and made it change colors. It was fun. I also have all of this to do some fussy cutting and what's left in here, which is not a lot. So I do have some of this that was innards of a cut file, and I am not saving these things anymore. I might try to find a use for the home. This can go up there. We have a stamp set and a couple journaling cards, but I'm going to cut up what I can, and once we come back we'll go through this and we'll try to use this all up. But what I don't get used up into this will go in one of my little baggies to go in my random bin that I pull out, which I will probably, if I need to, pull out for this, but I'm going to have so much fussy cut stuff I don't think I'm going to have to. So give me a minute to fussy cut my little heart out and I will be right back. Alright, after much fussy cutting, lots and lots, I've went ahead and backed the cut file and the photos, and because there's a lot going on here, I'm going to take, I want to do, come on, I haven't done this in a while. I'm just going to tear out a chunk, but I always hate the way that it like starts doing it. So we'll tear out a chunk there, and we'll tear out a chunk here. To use up some more of this paper. And I'm just going to come in and wrap it there. And I just put a little bit. And then I'm just going to line it up down at the bottom. Okay. And we're going to do the same over here. We're going to line it up at the top and get it stuck down. And then we're going to trim it to 12. Except, I don't know if you guys know this, but I absolutely hate this trimmer. It does not cut straight, and it actually, the knife actually goes in and cuts the this. It cuts that, and I just think it's just not a good trimmer, you know what I'm saying? Okay. It also doesn't cut straight because of all the little grooves in there. Okay. But it is what it is. And it's easier. So, still looking for another one that I can gut with. That's probably not going to be the one that I keep. Alright, so we do have some tape sticking out. So we're just gonna make sure that we seal that up. And then let's just go ahead and seal that guy. And do it over here as well. I'll just make sure that it doesn't catch on anything in the, because I leave them in iris containers for quite some time. Alright, so we've got that going on. And let's go ahead and take our trimmer, make sure that we get a nice straight cut, because I hand cut that and, well, it's not straight. Same with this one, probably not going to be as straight, but it's totally fine. Okay, put that on the bottom for like a shelf for this all to sit on. Right about there. Now to grab some fun embellishments. So we got our fussy cut flowers that we're just going to start sticking underneath this guy. And up here, so I even cut out the ones with the straight edges because we're gonna tuck anyway, right? And that just helps to create a fun little tucky. And this one says, "Oh snap." Yeah, we did this just so I could have s'mores, you guys. We went out and bought a fire pit, and then because I have a cute little s'more thing. And then every night we built a nice little fire. He cut firewood. That's kind of cute. It was a nice little fall activity for us. So now we're going to pop up these butterflies, and I am, unfortunately, the paper that are scraps will not make it. The 6x6, they will. They'll continue on. I have a little bin on my desk that I will put those in as well. Hopefully we can find a collection that it matches, because it's mostly the whites now. There's really no, whoa. Okay. Let's go ahead and get this one on here. Let's pop this one up as well. I don't really want to sit there and use all those little dots. I hate those dots. I mean, yeah, they come in handy, I get it, but I'm not a fan. Not a fan of making them there we go. We'll just do that right there. A little pop up. I don't like picking up the, whoa. Picking all the little backings off, you know what I'm saying? Modem phone. My husband says that all the time, it annoys me. Alright. Pop a little camera in there. We'll go ahead and grab this camera. So yeah, I fussy cut out a lot of items. These I will just save. And then let's do a yellow camera up at the top. I don't even know where. I think I got this foam from Sheila's Color. You get so many fun, fabulous gifts, right? Let's put it on this side so that we're not yellow on yellow. There are a lot of things here. See if we can get some of these. Little pieces. Tucked around, just kind of make it a little bit on the fuller side. Okay. And then this says lovely day. That right there, and the good part, and tuck right down there, and then we'll come in with a few of these little gems. I forgot they were even in here. I've had these, you guys, for a very, very, excuse me, long time. All right, and that is going to do it for our layout today. So we do still have quite a bit. I also cannot stand to have the overhang. I know a little bit on the weird side. All right, so this piece is recycling, 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 and these will go in my other bin. All of this will go in a nice little envelope. I'm so crazy. And then hopefully we can use these up at a later date. Right? There's still a lot, but one more collection used. The thing that I fear the most, you guys, is some of them I'm really good and I'm able to get the pieces used and only have a little bit left, but some of them, I'm going to go ahead and throw this in because I had that left over. I used everything but that, see, so I'm going to have a whole bunch of these little baggies sitting around is pretty much what my fear is. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. And what else? One more thing. Let's add gold splatters. Let's do that because I'm kind of digging being in the splatter game again. So we're just going to do it right down there. And we'll come up here. And that, I swear, is going to do it for the end of this layout. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Please come back again tomorrow and see what little collection I can start to work on or kill off. I will see you later. Bye.